Pokemon!
Hey guys, back with some more card openings. We're still looking for Giratina. Lost Origin it is, right? Wifey Lucky, the one I picked. Let's get it. I mean, this is just further cementing the fact that I think she's out there. Giratina's out there. Girly Tina, as I like to call her sometimes. But I know it's coming. She's in these packs. Somewhere or other, I just have those good feelings. But, got a black card. Code card for it. Usually our lucky ones. Wifey's over there, always giving me excellent commentary. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the energy is fire. All right, good start, good start. All right, got a Bronzong, Experiment, Lost City, Gligar, Wurmple, Rhyhorn, I'm sorry. Murkrow, Horsey, Reverse Hollow Nuzleaf, looks way better. First one back at it. Ooh, Magnezone V-Star. Always fun to pull a V-Star, always great on that. Look at that bad boy shine. That's a nice one. Nice. That's a good first pull. I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. Let's get it. And moving on to the next Lucky Wifey pack. Y'all know. Well, let's get it. Let's see if her luck's run out or if it is coming to be. Oh, it's a black card too. And these were just packs, guys. These were just ones that we were like, hey, this is the one. So, black card right there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Lucky Wifey pack. Can Lucky Wifey get the energy? 1, 2, 3.
Electric.
Oh, fighting. Nice try though. Nice try though. All right. Another Bronzong. Another Experiment trainer card. Komala, the koala for you, babe. Biancle, Murkrow, Wurmple, Clefairy, Lickitung, ooh, Reverse Hollow Silcoon, and ooh, Hollow Basculegion. Pretty nice shine on that. Still. And we still continue our search. I'm not losing heart, and I hope you guys aren't either. Be on this journey with me. We're gonna find the Giratina. I certainly think we are. But until next time,